Seatbelts. They're one of the simplest yet most life-saving inventions in automotive history. But how did they come to be? Why are they so important? And what makes them so effective? Today, we're diving into the history, benefits, and real-world impact of car seatbelts. Number 1. The history of seatbelts. Believe it or not, the concept of a seatbelt dates back to the late 19th century. In 1885, Edward J. Claghorn patented the first safety belt, but it was designed mainly to keep tourists strapped into New York taxis, not to save lives in crashes. Fast forward to the 1950s, when Swedish engineer Niels Bohlin, working for Volvo, introduced the three-point seatbelt. This simple design, anchoring across the lap and shoulder, became the gold standard. Volvo made the patent open to all manufacturers, prioritizing safety over profit. Number 2. Why seatbelts matter. Seatbelts are designed to do three critical things. Prevent ejection. In a serious crash, unbelted passengers can be thrown from the vehicle. Distribute force. The belt spreads the impact across stronger parts of the body like the chest and pelvis. Work with airbags. Airbags alone aren't enough. Without a seatbelt, airbags can even be dangerous. Statistics don't lie. According to the CDC, seatbelts reduce the risk of death in front seat passengers by about 45% and the risk of serious injury by 50%. Number 3. Modern benefits and use cases. Seatbelts aren't just for everyday drivers. They're essential in family safety, protecting children and parents alike. Commercial driving, where long hours on the road increase risk. Motorsports, advanced harness systems, evolved directly from seatbelts to keep drivers alive at extreme speeds. Even modern innovations, like pre-tensioners and load limiters, improve how belts protect passengers during high-impact collisions. Number 4. The bigger picture. It's easy to overlook seatbelts because they've become second nature, but that's exactly the point. They've turned what was once one of the most dangerous activities, driving, into something much safer. Every click of the buckle is a quiet reminder of over a century of engineering and countless lives saved. Recap. So, to recap, seatbelts started as simple restraints in the 1800s, perfected by Volvo in 1959. They saved lives by preventing ejection, spreading crash forces, and working with airbags. Today, they remain one of the most effective safety tools for drivers, passengers, and even professional racers. So next time you get in a car, remember that simple buckle click is one of the greatest safety innovations in history. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into everyday engineering, and don't forget to share this video to spread the word about safety.